Dr. Davidson, and today I'm going to show you how to trim your cat's toenails. This is Ash, and he's 6 years old. Cats have retractable claws, so they pull their claws back into their foot. So it helps if you can take their paw in your hand, gently press down, and then you can see the actual claw. So this part of the toenail that is pink is called the quick, and that's where the blood and the nerve supply is. So that part of the toenail is what you do not want to trim. But all of this clear part you can trim. There's all different kinds of clippers, but a smaller clipper works better for cats. So you just want to place your clipper and then snip. And you can see right about where the toenail starts to get a little bit thicker is where you clip. Cats usually have a dew claw, which is the claw on the side, and you want to be sure that you don't forget that one. If you do happen to cut the quick, it will bleed and it does hurt a little bit, but what you want to do is get a little quick stop powder, wet a Q-tip, and apply the quick stop to the toenail. And that will stop the bleeding. On the back feet, most cats only have 4 toes, and same thing, you just want to push down to expose the toenail. The back toenails tend to be a little bit straighter and not quite as long, but same idea, you just want to put your clippers on and trim. And just like with the teeth, if your cat is a little bit squirmy, you can go ahead and just wrap him in the towel. Boy, Ash. And then just take one paw out at a time. Push on the toe so you can see the nail, and then trim. If your cat is really relaxed and easygoing like Ash, you can also put him in your lap and roll him up. That way you can see his toenails and just trim them this way. It's best if you work with your cat when they're a kitten and get them used to you touching their feet and trimming their toenails. That way, when they're older, they're very good for their toenail trims, just like Ash today. If you have trouble trimming your cat's toenails, you can always come in and we can show you some more tips, or we can trim your cat's toenails for you.